Very welcome guys. Today we are going to learn about new technique in not QGIS but in Erdas software, which is also one of the software from so today we are going to learn about how to do georeferencing in Erdas software using a GCP point, which is a ground georeferencing. So let's start. So first you need to load your data. So my data is a raster image. You can do anything. So my file is tip, just load it, put it to fit to frame, and you can see the coordinate is not visible. So there is one more way to know how whether the particular data is georeference or not. Go to metadata of the particular image which are loaded and see the projection here. So you can see the projection info. That projection is unknown. That means the image is not georeference. So to do a georeferencing in Erdas map, you need to go to multispectral point, and then here you need to click on control point, and a new dialog box will open. That is set geometric model. Here you need to choose a polynomial according to you which geometric model you want to use. So I am going to use polynomial 1. So we will use polynomial. Click OK. A new window will pop up. Here you will get a GCP tool reference setup. You need to choose according to your requirement. If you want to do image to image georeferencing, you can use the first one, image layer new viewer. If you want to do GCP on a ground base, putting the lat and long, you can choose the keyboard only. That I am going to use. Click OK. Here you need to give the projection you want to get. So click on set. And here in projection type choose geographic lat long, and in spheroid type use abreast, because abreast is the nearby spheroid to the particular image, and even the data will be abreast. Click OK. Horizontal unit will be degree. Click OK. And here you can use whatever order, polynomial order you want to do. You want to give a 4 GCP, 3 GCP, you can give as much one. I am giving one polynomial 1. So let's begin. Close this window, and here a map will open. Click on this option, fit to active to fit your image, and here you can choose where you want to give your georeferencing point. So I am giving here because I can see here the x and y lat long is intersecting, and this is a good position to give your GCP. So click on your GCP and just drop it here. Your first GCP is given, then you need to give to x reference and y reference. So my x will be 87, then click enter, and y will be 27. Click enter. Now the second GCP will active. Now you will need to go to the position where you want to give the second GCP. This will be a nice position. Just go click and click on GCP. Give your GCP. Here again give your reference point 89 and 27. Now you need to give the third GCP. Let's give the third GCP. This will be good position, or here. This will be more better. Yes. So 87 and 22. Click on GCP. Go more detail. Click here. Now give your GCP. Mm, 87, 22. Now the fourth GCP will be automatically taken by Erdas. This is one of the speciality of this software, you will not get that in ArcGIS or in QGIS. So just you need to click on GCP and give in the particular location where you want to do the georeferencing on that particular area. So where shall I begin? Let's give this position. Just need to click on GCP here and you will take automatically of the look at the taken georeference position of that particular area. You can see here the for GCP I haven't even not typed X and Y coordinate. Now after this your full GCP point has been taken. Now you need to click on you can do two options. Either you can resample the image or you can calibrate. It depends upon you what you want to do. So in resampling, mostly you make a new image rather than abstracting on that particular image itself. Let's give new GCP point. Here you can't give a space in this software because it can alter the performance. So always use sign like that or @ Here we will use resample method by linear interpolation. You need to keep all these as it is and click OK, and a new window will pop up where you can see the process is going to continue. As you can see that it's increasing. When the process is 100%, your georeferencing has been done. As you can say, don't close this window. If you made any mistake, you need to do it again. So just close this, open a new window. This is the unreferenced image, and the one reference one will be, let's add one fit to frame, one more layer. Wait, yeah, add two, and you add that georeference image. It's not coming. It's in image format. Wait, let me just load the image format. Yeah, you can see here. Just click on it. It will load. Click on fit to zoom. You can see it's georeference. How you can check? You can see even here it's showing the coordinate system, and you can go to metadata. You can see the projection here. Earlier it was not showing any projection info here. You can see here average slot long ESPG code. So it is georeference, and you can even check that in QGIS using the Google Earth where this particular location is loading in Google Earth map or not. So thank you so much. Hope you have liked it. Kindly please subscribe and share among your friends. Thank you so much guys.